In this video, we'll show you how to deposit cryptocurrency into your account on the EXOLO crypto exchange. After logging into your account, hover over the Balances menu at the top of the website and click on Deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Choose the network you want to use for the deposit. Make sure it matches the network type you are using on your sending platform. You will now see your unique wallet address. You can either copy it to the platform you're sending your assets from or scan the QR code. For certain cryptocurrencies like XRP, after selecting the network, there will be an additional MEMO field. Carefully copy both the wallet address and the MEMO into the sending platform to avoid losing your assets. After a successful deposit, you can check the history of your transfers at the bottom of this page. That's it. You're all set to start using EXOLO Exchange. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.